Area 51, the airbase in Roswell, New Mexico in America, is thought to be like a place where people research aliens or even time travel or weather.
There are 52 white keys in a piano, 52 weeks in a year, and 52 cards in a pack of cards, if you exclude the jokers.
53 was the number of minutes spent trying to find something interesting about the number 53.
A Rubik's Cube has 54 coloured squares.
55 is the sum of the numbers 1 to 10. It is also a heptagonal number, a centered non-agonal number, a triangular number, a Fibonacci number, and a square pyramidal number. Oh my god, I said that. Oh.
According to Aristotle, 56 is the number of layers in the universe, that is, Earth, and 55 crystalline spheres.
Heinz claims to have 57 varieties, which isn't true. Mr. Heinz just liked the idea of it.
58, the number of minimum wind speed in miles per hour to issue a severe thunderstorm warning.
59. In 1859, the chimes of the Big Ben bell rang for the first time. 1859. Isn't that cheating?
A Buckminster fullerene, C60, has 60 carbon atoms in each molecule.
61 is a paired prime with 59 because they're either side of the number 60.
The founder of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud, has an irrational fear of the number 62.
Quote the code at the bottom of the screen to receive 63% off at
64. Nintendo 64, when I'm 64, add the number of squares on a chessboard.
65 is often used in the name of dishes from South Indian cuisine, such as chicken 65, but no one is quite sure why.
66 is the current world record for the most hot dogs eaten in 15 minutes.
Pharaoh Ramesses II had 67 daughters and 111 sons. That's a lot. Ugh.
68 is a happy number. Replace the number by the sum of the squares of its digit until we get 1 or end up in a loop without 1. That doesn't seem too happy.
Now, not many people know this, but if you rotate the number 69 by 180 degrees, it's the same!
Oddly, the French have no number for 70. They have 70, which is 60 plus 10.
71 is a number of different characters that can be entered on a standard English keyboard.
72 is a percentage of water that is composed in the human body.
73 is the 21st prime. Now, its mirror is 37, which is the 12th prime, which is the mirror of 21.
A hurricane or typhoon can only exist with winds of at least 74 miles an hour.
75 years commemorate a diamond anniversary.
Halley's Comet appears approximately every 76 years.
In World War II, 77 was used as a Swedish border pass word because its tricky pronunciation made it instantly recognisable whether the person crossing was Swedish, Norwegian or German.
'78. The total number of gifts in the song The 12th Day of Christmas, as it is the 12th triangular number.
79, a regular prime, a right truncatable prime, a prime in a residue class, a cousin prime of 83, a reversible prime, also called an Hermit, a fortunate prime, a Gaussian prime, a happy prime, a Higgs prime, a Killian prime, a lucky prime, a permutable prime, a Pillai prime, and a sexy prime.
The Pareto principle, commonly called the 80-20 principle, states that out of all the events, 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes.
In Arabic numerals, the number 8 and the number 1 appears on the left human hand as 81.
82 is the atomic number of lead, which will protect you from X-ray radiation, but kill you if you eat it.
3 suggests that beauty cannot be perfectly captured in poetry or painting. There are more life in one of your fair eyes than both your poets can in praise devise. Yes.
A hepteract is a 7-dimensional hypercube existing outside of our dimension with 84 pentaract 5 faces.
Right, get off, right. There are 85 ways to tie a tie.
There are 86 metals on the periodic table.
87 is the atomic number of francium, which is a very unstable element and especially unstable in water.
In order to get the flux capacitor working in Back to the Future in the DeLorean to start the time machine, you must first go at 88 miles an hour.
89 is one of the numbers censored on the Chinese internet by the government due to protests in that year.
The latitude of the North and South Poles at 90 degrees.
Number 91 is the name of a fast food takeaway in Oldham.
"92 is the number of characters in the world's longest named place. It's Taumatawakish. Stuff it.
The Sun is approximately 93 million miles away from Earth.
Haydn's Symphony number 94 is called the Surprise Symphony due to sudden dynamics during quiet moments.
Windows 95. Come on.
97, the number of milliseconds it should take you to work out, we skip 96.
Windows 98.
Come on! It's not your number anyway!
99, an ice cream with a flake pressed into it.
And finally, 100.
It's the number of minutes you wasted my life in this stupid video!